Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So I got a couple kits I want to review with you. Some open box. Yes, I know. But hey, you know what? I have not opened these. I'm kind of curious to see what's in them. They're a couple Ford trucks. Shocking, right? I know. So I want to go through this kit here with you. I've not opened this yet. This is the AMT Ford LTL 9000 tractor. This big boy here. So this is a 1/24th scale, which is kind of unusual for AMT. So I'm not sure if it's an AMT overseas type thing or if it's, I'm not sure. I haven't done the homework on it. I haven't done the research on it. So I just thought, hey, I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. I actually got some plans for this. Yeah, I think it looked pretty cool. So, like I say, I have not opened it. And the other thing is there's no cellophane on it. There's nothing on it. So it's just got your taped corners on the ends, and that's all there is. There's no, so it makes me think it's from somewhere else. Also, time permitting, we're also going to open up the race car hauler from AMT. This is 1/25th scale, as most AMTs are. This guy right here. So I'm kind of curious of what's in here. This is a re-release, obviously. All that good stuff. So I have not yet opened this as well. This is still in the plastique. So this has some pad printed tires I'm looking at on here, in a different decal sheet, some updated decal sheet. So I'm just kind of curious. So I'll kind of go over them quick. I'm not going to go into everything super detail and bore you to death with it, but we'll see what's in the box and see what you guys get. So you can put one together for yourself. Like I said, I had the Mobius truck, and I know a lot of guys have built that, and everybody's like, man, it's a nice model, and everybody's, oh, I've had this problem. I haven't built it because of that. I thought, man, I don't want to fight with it. It's still sitting on the shelf, but I think I will get on this one and the semi pretty quick here. So yeah, so like I said, I got some plans with the semi here. I believe this is like a 1979 or 78, 80. I'm not 100%. Like I said, I did not do the research on it. I know, probably should have did that first, right? Anyways, let's go to the bench and let's open these up and see what's in the box. Let's go take a look. All right, guys, real quick look in this. Like I say, it's a super detailed kit, it says. And it has, I'm going to show it to you upside down because that's just easier for me at this point. A lot of parts. Have you guys ever scanned these? I know they're on a lot of boxes. Have you ever done this? Just for curiosity. They give you like wall art, web page, like background pictures, all kinds of stuff. I know in these here they give you like a little game like pick one and everybody's a winner type thing. So I've done that a couple times. Got some pretty cool looking background pictures. Oh yeah. Okay. So first off, we have our instructions and decals. I'm assuming this is supposed to be with the decals, but being they are on top, I guess we'll take a look at these real quick. And first, yeah, those are pretty nice decals. So we got two different dash combos there. And we got our emblems for the sides. Got a little kitty cat for the AMT cat. Various numbers so you can make it kind of what you want. And we got our America flags there. Yeah, so pretty cool. And we got some what does that say? C&T Express, yeah. So it's got some cool decals in it. I mean, it's a nice decal sheet. It actually feels like a nice decal sheet, you know, not like some of those other kits where this is like just, they look like they're going to rip. These actually look really nice. So maybe we have a winner with these. So while I have these here, I guess we'll go through the instructions real quick. It's not a very big book, surprisingly, for the kit. I figured it'd be a little bigger than this. They give you quite a selection of paint colors here, so you got that going on. And half of the book looks like it's your call out of the parts. So that's everything that's in the kit. So it looks like we got some extra wheels here that we don't use, all that kind of stuff. Looks like it's super basic kind of compared to other kits, but for what I'm understanding, the engine is pretty detailed on it. So it's got some nice chassis detail. Typical AMT, you have to put the chassis together, which is okay. And it's got some nice truck detail, axle, all that kind of stuff in the back, so it looks cool. And we got a little bit of work on the back here. Oh, we got quite a bit on the back here. So we got a lot going on in number 9. We got a lot going on there. So it's got quite a bit of stuff going. Rolling along. Yeah, I can see where the detail pieces come in. There's a lot of stuff on there. Okay, I'm giving to that. You got a lot of cab assembly there, so it's pretty neat looking. So you can really detail the inside of the cab, being it's all separate. Assembling the cab and all that good stuff. And of course, the last one, your final assembly. So it looks like a really cool kit. So like I say, I am going to build this quickly coming up. So I am going to open this just because I'm curious myself. So just a real quick rundown of the parts here. I got some nice rim detail with our, I'm not sure if that's like an outer beauty ring or end cap to the wheel. And yeah, there's a lot of parts going on here. I mean, there's a lot of stuff here. Trying to help on my black table with the black parts. Really nice radiator detail with the fan. A lot of nice parts in there. Yeah, I can see the detail of this. You got a nice engine assembly there. So yeah, this looks like this will be a pretty cool kit to build. And the other tree in that section is your frame, your plate for the hitch, or your air ride, suspension. Really cool. Nice axle details. Very nice looking. I started working on my Coca-Cola truck a long time ago when I first started my channel. And I didn't put a video up on it because I actually screwed the frame up on it. The frame was actually bent. It was warped really bad. I should just call AMT and get another one for it. But that's as far as I went on that. So that frame looks pretty good. So we got some really nice tires. They have some sort of writing on it. It's just the tire size, it looks like. But man, they're really, really soft. So that's pretty cool. And I like that they tagged it just on the side here versus in the middle. So no matter how you try to do it, you're not going to see that piece there because it'll be on the inside. That was pretty clever. So we got a chrome package. Let's see what that's all in the chrome. So our chrome tree, very nice looking. Nice wheels. Some of the chrome, I think I'd almost take that and redo it, like re-chrome it. Because these are usually aluminum anyways, or polished aluminum. So I think that'd probably look better redone. And I think it's cool. It looks like it's got like rain caps on the exhaust. That's kind of neat looking. This might even look better with some modified or aftermarket exhaust on it. So I have not done a rig kit in years. I mean, I'm talking like long, like childhood days. So this should be pretty fun. Really nice grille detail. Super cool bumper. Yeah. See, now this color here, this would look really cool for the wheels. Like that flat look. That's what the wheels should look like. But that's okay. We can alter that. So the last bag in the box, this is all our cab detail. So we have our glass, and I'm going to leave the glass in the plastic because you guys know how that is. So just in case, I'm going to leave that in there. So we have our cab itself. Very nice looking. I like that split hood. That's cool. Part of the sleeper. Side doors. And I like everything's drilled out for you for all this stuff. So I have that last semi I was building was that Aero Max, I think it was. And you had to drill all the holes out for all the stanchions and all the piping. You had to drill everything for that. So, like I say, we had a flood years ago and the box got ruined and everything else. So, I've never finished it. I recovered all the parts. Thankfully, a lot of it's still in the bag, but that's as far as that went. So, this here looks like just all of our interior pieces. A few pieces looks like, I'm not sure, battery boxes maybe. Some air tanks, door panels. part of the dash. So really cool. So it looks like I'll do a little bit of picture scouting to see what colors everything needs to be. So yeah, this looks like a really nice builder if you guys are looking for one of these. So that's that kit, guys. That is the AMT Ford LT L9000 tractor. I don't know why I can't say LTL. I want to keep calling it something else, so I feel like I'm stuttering with it. So yeah, so pretty neat looking. So I'm going to get this boxed up, and let's open that other one up quick. Hold on. Alright guys, so let's take a look at this race car hauler. This looks like a pretty nice kit as well. So I'll get this opened up. Alright. Okay, so we got the anti-crush packaging here. That's awesome. Now look at the difference in the wheels from that 124 scale to this scale here. What a difference. So I'm going to open some of this up out of the plastic and we'll take a closer look at it. Alright guys, so we got our chrome here. This looks pretty nice as well. Got some nice detail. Now those rims don't look too bad. Those look actually really nice. Got some cool engine detail in that. So not too bad looking, not too bad. And we have our other wheels. And then these must be the end caps for the fuel tanks with some rings from the tires. So we got a little twisted going on there. So hopefully it's just a tree and not the parts. So we have our glass pieces. So we got a single rod for the axle. Just one rod in there. And we have a little bit of red colored glass, red clear, and then our windows. So I see this gives you side windows in it as well, so it's nice. So we're going to leave those in the bag. And the tires I'm also going to leave in the bag, just because. So these are nice because they are not on a tree. And these are a little harder than the other ones, but still pretty nice tire. So these tires actually have Firestone print on there, so that's very cool. You can see that in there. So for the top of the hauler, they give you a couple drag tires. And they also have a print on them. These are pad printed. These are Race Masters. So that'd be cool to maybe add a couple more with some race style tire, maybe Mickey Thompson, something like that. These are pretty soft. Those are pretty nice. So we have our cab feature here. Not too bad. Looks good. It's all one piece, other than you have to cut this. So I can tell it's an older kit. Definitely not as refined as the other semi we just looked at. Definitely tell the difference. So here, see, you have to drill these out. They give you the dimples for it, so it's one of those if you want the lights in it or not. So it's kind of a nice feature that way, because not everybody wants the marker lights on it. So this next bag, this is your back of the truck, kind of the ramp truck part of it. So that looks pretty nice. Pretty straight. So this would be cool because you could do some really good detail if you wanted to take and scribe these doors, open them up, put boxes in there. Even for you guys that light these up, you can put little marker lights in there. That'd look kind of cool. So that'd be easy to do on here because it's they basically, the scribing goes all the way through, so it'd be really easy to open those. That'd be kind of neat on this to open a couple doors up. And you have the top shelf. This is where your tires would go, obviously. And I'm assuming this is probably the front of that part, and then you got some ramps. It's a pretty nice little setup. Gonna do a little bit of heat and treat on that one. Next bag we have is some engine detail. Flashy. So you got a little cleanup to do on it. Not too bad, but hey, that's part of modeling, right? So we got our V8 engine and some of our frame detail. So it doesn't look too bad. It's a nice looking kit. I'm sure this built up pretty good. And like I say, it's a difference looking at this versus the other one. The detail on it, unbelievable. So we have our interior tub, just a one piece. And then we have our suspension parts of the frame and our rear axle. Got our air cleaner piece here for the sticks outside the hood, and we got some exhaust. So not too bad. A little cleanup here and there. Other than that, not too bad of a looking model. So we got a nice dashboard there. And this is the other part of the ramp. So we have our ramp detail here. Not too bad looking. Pretty straight for what I can see. And I'm assuming this is the back of the platform of the cab. Or basically the ramp part, I would assume. And then we have some frame detail. Ooh, so this frame is like my other truck. So it should need a little attention there. Not too bad, but as we glue it together, hopefully we can get it to come back to us. So not too bad. My other one was in a lot worse shape. So like I said, it's all part of all the fun of modeling. So let's take a look at the decals and the instructions. So the instructions, this is out and open. So just a real quick overview. Not a big instruction booklet here. It's very small. It's just a couple flips and you're done. So pretty much everything's assembled at one shot on the engine. And then we jump right into wheels and tires. So then we get our frame detail. Yes, that's what I was saying. Putting those cross members, gussets, or whatever inside there. That's where I messed up on my other one. Same as you get your rear axle in, your steering, and then you have major assembly on part 6 here. You get pretty much starting to make it look like a rolling assembly at this point. You jump into, jump into interior detail and then into the cab and get that assembled. So wrapping things up, we are back on number 8 for the exhaust. Then you have, I'm sorry, that's number 9. I know my glasses on, so I'm running blind here. And then we have number 10 for the hood detail and all that good stuff, and your air cleaner assembly and front bumper. And then the back is the transporter rack. So that's all assembled in one shot on one page. Oh, I see. They give you this so you can open doors up on the side. So that's pretty cool for the advanced modeler. Very nice. Very cool. So according to this, this is round 2, 2022. It says here. And let's look at the decals. Very nice decal sheet. Wow, those are nice. Very crisp. Beautiful decals. Very, very nice. So this would look good just as a stock build. Like I say, I got other ideas for it, but man, I do like the decals they give you here. Those are really nice. Very nice, very clean. Very crisp. They feel thicker, almost like the decals you'd get in the Bronco kit, like 21 Bronco kit, which worked very well. It's just a little harder to put your solvents on it to settle them down. So yeah, so there we go, guys. There is the contents of the car hauler in its entirety. Alright guys, so it's going to wrap up our little quick review on those 2 kits. Looks like pretty nice kits. Like I say, you can obviously tell where the extra money spent on the 9000 series versus the 8000, but both really cool kits. Yeah, so they look like they're going to be great builds, so can't wait to get on the red one. Like I say, I got some plans for it. So other than that, we'll wrap this up. So if you guys have not been, go down and check out Hobby Models and check out his inventory. He sells MCW paints and mission paints, all that good stuff. Grab yourself something. So other than that, yeah, I think that's it. So thanks for following along, checking out the channel, and we will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.